Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, understanding the definition of a rotation. So we have a triangle DEF here, this kind of grayed out one, and we're rotating it 90 degrees counterclockwise to get D prime, E prime, F prime down there, and they give us some coordinates in case we needed them. So part A here, suppose the angle measures have, angles below have the same measure, choose the correct angle measure. So let's see what's going on here. DCD prime, okay. So that's here to here. ECE prime and FCF prime. Okay, I see what they're getting at here. So if I go here to here, here to here, or here to here, all of those are 90 degrees, okay? Because that's what I'm rotating by. So all of these make right angles of these three sets. Then going over here, suppose each pair of segments below have the same length, find each length. Okay, that's fine. So CD and CD, so basically they're just saying assume these are equal, which they are, just so you don't have to do 6 of them, you can just do 3. That's kind of nice. All right, so if I just find this one to find this, this one to find this guy over here. So I can go up, this is going up 8 and over 5. So my distance there is going to be the square root of 8 squared plus 5 squared, because that's my hypotenuse, if you will. So I get 64 plus 25, which comes out to 89. All right. Fair enough. And then we do CE, so this guy. So this one's going over 6 and up 4. Okay. 36 plus 16, it gives me 30, 40, 52. And then my F1, it's going over 8 up 3. Excuse me. 8 squared plus 3 squared comes out to 64 plus 9, so 73. Okay. And then down here, choose the correct pair of statements about the rotation. So one of these things. Each one has 2, which is where I'm getting the pair of statements from. All angles formed by a point in its image with a vertex at the center of a rotation are congruent. That does appear to be true. Okay, all the angles work. Each point on the original figure is the same distance from the center of the rotation. No, that didn't work. Not all angles formed by a point in its image with the vertex at the center of rotation are congruent. Nope, they're all 90. All angles, well, at least in this one, they're 90. All angles formed by a point in its image with the vertex at the center of rotation are congruent. Okay? Not every point on the original figure is the same distance from the center of rotation as its image. That, I may have misread this one. Anyway, that's false. So that's saying like CD could be different than CD prime. Same distance as its image. Not all angles formed by a point in its image with the vertex at the center are congruent. Well, that doesn't work either. So jumping back up, this is a problem. I think I may have misread this one. I may have read it too quickly. So the angles are all congruent, that's true. Each point on the original figure is the same distance from the center of rotation as its image. Okay, that part, that actually is true. I misread this and thought that it was saying each point on the original figure is the same distance from the center, which is not true, but it's saying the same distance from the center of rotation as its image, as its own image. So remember, this is our pre-image and our image, so each one is the same distance as its own image, which actually is true. So I just read that a little too quickly. My apologies.